My People is proud to present the 4th season of the 40 Days 40 Fintechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program, which is leading the way in advocating for technology that promotes financial inclusivity. Since 2020, we've profiled over 100 fintechs, and our latest season is shining a spotlight on those breaking down digital barriers and transforming lives for the better.
I'm Nanteza Nadia Maluk from Hijaz Finance. Hijaz Finance provides Sharia-compliant services in the banking system. In other words, we provide Islamic financial services.
My name is Mtevi Alawi, the founder and CEO of Ecolink Technologies Group. Ecolink Technologies Group is a software and fintech company that is specialized in the development of customized digital solutions that are helping African SMEs to deliver to their clients a number of services, including the financial products that are used by SACCOs, that are used by companies, that are used by NGOs and charity organizations. Sakumet ERP is a software as a service that we provide to operate a number of activities within an Islamic or Sharia-compliant Sacco, from the point of onboarding clients as their members to a point where they are doing their savings and withdrawals, requesting for loans and other financial products provided by the Sacco. Apparently, Islamic Finance being a new phenomenon in Uganda, we have so far onboarded more than 10 Saccos that are providing these Sharia-compliant products to Ugandans. These products are accessed via a mobile app that is enabled by SaccoMate ERP.
We've been able to achieve success through SaccoMate ERP. We have the app that is user-friendly. Our clients have come up to mention that it's very easy to deposit, it's very easy to follow up with your account, how much you have, the balance, and withdraw relatively.
We have processed more than $1 million in value of transactions, and we have over 10,000 members of SACCOs using the mobile app that is being provided to them that is enabled by SaccoMate ERP.
Some of the challenges that we face with working with the product is we've not yet fully utilized the different capabilities of the product.
SaccoMate ERP is designed to really empower these Islamic finance institutions. We are finding a challenge that the adoption of Islamic finance is so slow in Uganda, but the future is promising. We are seeing many of them now are turning. Many of those that were providing conventional banking products to their clients are now also integrating the Islamic finance model within their operation.
I personally recommend the use of the services provided by Ecolink, especially SaccoMate ERP, more so to the Islamic financial institutions coming up. Islamic finance is getting, it's getting ground. So I really recommend any upcoming Islamic financial service provider to utilize Ecolink.
I'm really glad to be part of the 40 Days 40 Fintech. That is one. And it is really giving us a platform so that we can talk about our products. We can always bring out the new ideas that we have, and then the public can get to engage with these products. We like to see more people coming to partner with us. We are partnered with a number of SACCOs. We are partnered with a number of other fintechs, talk about the telecom companies and the banks and some other institutions. For details on SaccoMate ERP, please visit our website on www.ecolinkgroup.com.
Join us in this financial inclusivity revolution, presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, Cyber PLC Academy, Cross-Select Technologies, Infitex, Ideation Corner, and the Moduloop Foundation, with generous support from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days 40 Fintechs, hashtag Level 1 Project to learn more and get involved in creating a brighter financial future for all.